Trading spot Bitcoin ETFs is now a thing, and the launch of these ETFs has been eventful. The first trading day was worth over $3 billion, and this was distributed among the 11 companies offering up spot ETFs for sale. Many experts have had their say on what we can expect going forward. In an interview with Yahoo Finance, Cathie Wood, ARK Invest's current chief executive officer, highlighted the competitive nature of the crypto market. According to Wood, there is no way Bitcoin will maintain a secure long-term bullish run with 11 different companies offering up their unique ETFs. The implication of this prediction is simple. Some companies will dominate the market, while some will consolidate with others to improve their service and product due to the advantage of having in-house expertise. ARK Invest's ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF, ARK-B, is a perfect example of how the number of Bitcoin ETFs will reduce. ARK Invest does not own sole rights to their spot Bitcoin ETF. Instead, ARK Invest partnered with 21 shares to develop a joint venture Bitcoin ETF, thereby having more capital to compete in the financial market. During the interview, Wood spoke at length about the benefits of buying ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF. Cathie Wood also talked about the critical factors that will determine the survivability of a spot Bitcoin ETF. A major factor she talked about was the fee. The high trading volumes being recorded for BTC ETFs show we have a massive demand. This demand has led to each of the 11 companies setting competitive fees to get more people to buy from them. Interestingly, ARK Invest has one of the lowest spot Bitcoin ETF fees on the market as of the time of this video. The company is also waiving management fees for the first 6 months of investing, which is insane. Grayscale currently has the highest fee at 1.5%. According to Wood, ARK Invest's low fee is because the company is not prioritizing profit. Instead, they are treating Bitcoin as a commodity that can become the internet-native currency for commerce. Because of the peer-to-peer network Bitcoin operates on, there will be no space for middlemen to operate. Speaking on market dynamics and the long-term viability of Bitcoin ETFs, Cathie Wood pointed to the impact of multiple institutions and investors entering the crypto arena through Bitcoin. The ability to trade crypto as shares through major brokerages will increase the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legal tender for internet commerce. Market demand, among other factors, will also surely contribute to the long-term viability of these ETFs. The possible consolidation of the approved ETFs from 11 to 3 or 4 will simply mirror the existing trend in several other financial investment sectors, where only a few dominant players remain after a few months or years. Despite the hype surrounding Bitcoin ETFs, before the SEC approval, not all financial giants hopped onto the spot ETF train. A good example is Vanguard. Not only is Vanguard not offering an ETF product of its own, but the company also announced that clients using the Vanguard platform will not be able to buy any of the approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. But clients looking to sell their ETF assets will be able to do that, which is quite strange. Cathie Wood also spoke on this, labeling Vanguard's decision as a strategic blunder. In her statement, she described Vanguard's actions as a lack of belief that Bitcoin can change the world and that new financial ideas like cryptocurrency as shares will not be successful. She further stated that Vanguard opting out of the spot Bitcoin ETF market prevents people who use their platform from accessing the first decentralized, global, no government oversight monetary system in the world. Talking about price projections for Bitcoin, in Wood's words, our base case is roughly $600,000, our bull case, and we think the probability of the bull case has gone up now that institutions have the green light. Our bull case is closer to $1.5 million in the next 10 years. To keep up to date with the current happenings in the crypto market, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.